Hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I have the Ringke Onyx Camo Black case here for the Google Pixel 9. They do make this for the 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL. I will be sure to link those down below if you want to buy them. And big thank you to Ringke for sending this out for review. So I wanted to do an unboxing with this one versus like the other ones that I did not do, just simply due to the fact that I just had them out already. But this one is in their eco packaging, which is, as you can tell, just pretty simple. And I wanted to kind of do this one separate, just simply due to the fact that I think that the camo version kind of deserves its own little video. It's different than the regular colors. And yeah, I just wanted to show it off a little bit more. But there it is. Looks pretty dang good. Now, one of the major differences between this one and like some of the old like Fusion X's or something like that from Ringke is that it's actually the case with the pattern colors, not like semi-translucent or anything like that, like some of their previous cases in the past. But if we look in the interior, unfortunately, does not have MagSafe built in. That's not a deal breaker for a lot of Android users, but I would opt into trying to get the magnetic version for me personally. But it also has little airbags with their air cushion, with their shock absorption material in the corners, as you can see here, just a little bit raised out, just a tiny bit on the corners to help dissipate the energy away. So let's grab the Obsidian Black Pixel 9. Let's pop it in, and extremely simple install. And there is the case installed. And looks pretty dang good, guys. If you want to jazz it up a little bit and not just go with black or even like, the greens and other colors that I have from them, which these are great, but there is something to be said about this just camo color. Like, I don't know, I just think it's always looked cool. But as you can see here, it's got that same nice grippy material like the other Onyx cases. They went with a darker, just black visor, which actually I think looks kind of cool. Kind of pops between the kind of more grayed and black back here. And the camera visor does do its job in protecting the lenses, as you can see there. So the lenses are nicely recessed in, so no complaints there. So looking at the side here, we do have exactly the same side as the black version. So there is literally no difference between the standard Ringke Onyx versus this one. So just kind of wanted to show you all around, but it just has this insane grip on the sides. The power button and the volume up and down buttons are nicely raised. We do have some Ringke branding right there as well. Lanyard cutouts, all that good stuff. Very simple profile there. And then looking at it, it looks good, guys. I mean, it really does. And it doesn't shake either. So when I do my wobble test in all of them that I've done, there's no shaking going on at all, which is fantastic. And if you like clicky buttons, it passes that test with flying colors as well. So no complaints in any of those two test departments. They pass both just fine. But now I do want to show you that it can wirelessly charge. So as you can see there, it is charging. It's just unfortunately not hugging on. So if you have a MagSafe charger, it's just not going to stay on, unfortunately. And that is unfortunate. So like I said, for me, I have MagSafe chargers in my car. I have MagSafe chargers at home. I have docking stations at home that are MagSafe. And so just a little bit of a bummer that it doesn't have it, but it is what it is. I can live with it and just use, a different type of car mount vent thing to hold it if I needed to. Or I just set it in my seat and go on my merry way, and it's fine because I'll have it plugged in and have CarPlay going anyways. But for $15.99, I do feel like if you want a good case but you want to jazz it up a little bit and have something that's just not black, then you can't go wrong with the camo version of this. But like I said, I mean, it's identical in every way other than just the color, and that's it. So like I said, if you're looking for a Ringke Onyx and you want something a little different and not deal with any fingerprints and not deal with any smudging, then I highly recommend a Ringke Onyx for your Pixel 9 if you're looking for something like this. So hit the like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.